go ahead and fill that up. Oh, don't let that happen. What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be doing a review on the RINSEKIT Plus. RINSEKIT does make different options. We'll go ahead and show you just how easy it really is to fill up, just exactly what comes in the box for the Plus, and we'll show you just if it's worth it or not. So inside the RINSEKIT Plus, it does come with this towel. So if you guys are ever out on the beach or anything like that, and you guys are still soaked and you want to get back in your vehicle, you go ahead and put this down. It acts as a car seat and it absorbs all the water. So I'm going to go ahead and try this out. Hopefully it doesn't mess up my car. With the hot water sink adapter. RINSEKIT does also offer one more thing that you could purchase. A part that goes inside and then it connects directly to your actual cigarette lighter, which then heats up the water. I can't demonstrate that today because I don't have it with me. It also comes with this bib. So this is going to be the main bib to go ahead and refill the RINSEKIT. It comes with a pressurizer to go ahead and pressurize the water just in case you guys are out on the road. RINSEKIT Plus, it only offers 2 gallons of water. So it's awesome to go ahead and maybe wash the dishes. It's also meant for washing yourself, of course. So taking a shower if you guys are out camping or anything like that. Rinsing off your gear, many other little things like that. Let's go ahead and just get to demonstrating on how everything works. So I'm going to be demonstrating how easy it really is to fill up the RINSEKIT. It's super simple. You want to go ahead and open it up. If you've opened it up, you want to go ahead and locate your actual bib. If you guys do not live in a house and you guys live in an apartment, it's okay because there is an adapter that can go inside your actual housing faucet, which is in your restroom. Just go ahead and screw it on. Do not over tighten. It is plastic. It could break. If you see here, it's going to have an on and an off position. So right now we do have it in the off position. This part is super important, so make sure it's in the off position. You're gonna go ahead and locate this section here, push down, and it disconnects. Push it down once more, it snaps into place. Go ahead and open your faucet all the way. Should fill up in 30 seconds. Once you have it on, then you want to go ahead and turn this section on. Once you've turned it on, you're gonna notice it's gonna go very loud for about 30 seconds. Once it's up, then it's going to stop. You'll hear the noise. It starts to faint down. As you can tell, it's already fainting down. Once you've reached the 30 seconds, you want to go ahead and turn this off. Then you go ahead and put this now in the off position once more. And go ahead and release, just like that. And get your nozzle once more. Clip it back in. Once it's clipped in, you're going to go ahead and put it in the on position. Before you do so, I did want to note, you're going to see this thing just pop up. That just shows you that there's now pressure in the water, just like that. Nice and easy, you saw it pop up. So now it's pressurized. So we're gonna go ahead and try the 5 different options and see if it's worth it or not. It does supposedly last up to 5 minutes on the shower mode. We're gonna go ahead and give it a rip. We're gonna go ahead and test out the different modes. I'm not gonna see how long those last, but I'm just gonna go ahead and test them out. So, of course, that's shower, which is going to be the strongest one. What you could do to save water is when you do have it in the shower, you can go ahead and rinse off really quick, stop it, put your soap, and rinse off once more. So flat just gives it like a flat streamline of water. That's center. Center just kind of disperses it everywhere. Mist, to be honest, the mist motion is probably going to be the best in summer. As you can tell, if it's hot, spray yourself off with this, or your friends or your family, and you'll be good. That's Jet. Jet's going to be the furthest moving one. I mean, to me, I do like it. It may be a little bit more high in the price for what it is, but I do like it. Up next, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you guys can fill it up inside your house with hot water. The RINSEKIT Plus, it does come with this adapter here. You want to go ahead and go in your restroom if it does have this type of faucet. Unscrew this here, unscrew this thing in, take off the nozzle, just like we did outside. Once you've counted up to 30 seconds, now you want to go ahead and turn off the hot water, connect the nozzle, turn this on.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Once this pops up, you can tell it's pressurized. Let's go ahead and test it, just like that.
Is it hot?
It's pretty hot. Alright, and now you have hot water. Nice and simple, nothing too hard. And as stated, of course, if you guys aren't at home and you want to go ahead and refill, make sure you take like 2 gallons of water. So that way, since it is a 2-gallon RINSEKIT, You can either take 2 gallons, 4 gallons, doesn't matter, as much water as you want. You can still refill it by using this here. So to finish off the video, I'm gonna go ahead and try out the towel that does come with the RINSEKIT Plus. I am gonna risk my seats. So if you guys stay till the end, you guys will see if this towel thing works or not. So basically you open it up, say you're out in the beach, as stated in the beginning of the video, and then you guys wanna get back inside your vehicle, but you guys are all wet, and you guys don't like doing that. Well, you want to go ahead and put this over. As you can tell, this is where your headrest would go. Throw it on there, nice and secure, just like that. If you do have kids, you could probably use this as well, so that way they don't dirty your seats. I can't explain how it feels on camera, really, but it feels like a waterproof type material, so I'm going to trust it. I haven't tried this before, so I don't know if it's gonna mess up my truck or not. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just water it down and hope for the best. Let's throw it on miss, just to not risk wetting everything. All right, here we go. Okay, I think that would demonstrate someone from the beach coming in their vehicle, coming inside wet. As you can tell, I mean, it's pretty soaked. Let me go ahead and now remove this and see if it's wet or not. Cross your fingers for me, please. I'm gonna be sad if it's wet. All right. So it's sinked in a little bit, but I think that would be way better, especially if you do have your own personal towel that you're gonna throw on here. That'd be 2 towels in one. But yeah, I mean, you saw how much I drenched it, and that's all that went through. I think it works well. Alright you guys, so this is going to conclude the review on the RINSEKIT Plus. As stated, there's many more out there. I know there is water ports that you could purchase. I know there is those hanging type of showers that you could purchase. There's many other methods to go ahead and, as opposed to the RINSEKIT. I like the RINSEKIT because you can just go anywhere with it. It's portable. You can put it on any other vehicle. You can use it for many other things, so it's very versatile. So to me, I'm gonna stick to this for a good while. It only holds 2 gallons. I told you guys on how you guys can achieve getting more than 2 gallons out of it, which is not really a hard method. You just refill it, repressurize it, and you're good to go. If you guys ever see me out in person, and I do have it with me, if you guys wanna try it out, let me know. I'll give you guys a quick little test and you guys can look at it in person. So if you guys like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time.